where to find this tool, you go to the left side panel and click on this icon. This is a touch type tool. Wherever you see this is a touch type tool icon, or you can just hold Shift plus T on your keyboard to activate it. And if you don't still see it, you just go to these three dots, edit toolbar, you just click and drag and drop it here, so you'll be able to attach there. So now the first one, this is my letter. I just click on the first letter or on any letter. We transform letter by letter or character by character. So I can apply here a rotation like so. It is non-destructive, just know it maintains the base. So I can position this like so. That is another transformation. Can scale this a little bit. T, I can, let me rotate this one like so. U, let me make U like this, and B, so I will scale it like so. And E, let me apply a position transformation too, right there. So that's how you can use this touch type tool. It is easy and simple. And if you have enjoyed this tutorial, please, you can give me a like. You can also comment, and don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.